Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to get MyAI on Snapchat. To get MyAI on Snapchat, the first thing you need to do is open up the Snapchat app on your phone. Once you get into its app, tap the chat icon from the bottom bar. Now, from the chats menu, you will be able to see MyAI on top of chats. Simply tap on it and it will direct you to the inbox. Then tap on its profile from the top bar. And now you can see its profile details. So tap on the three dots from the top right corner. It will show you the drop-down menu where you can see many useful features. Then tap on chat settings from here. Now you can hide chats, manage notifications, change notification sounds from here. Also, you can change the wallpaper or chat color of your AI chat. After that, get back to the camera page. Tap on your profile icon from the top left corner. Now, from your profile, tap on the settings icon from the top right corner. After that, scroll down in settings and tap on I need help. From here, you need to choose the option of MyAI. Then, scroll down in Snapchat support and tap on how do I access my AI on Snapchat? From here, you will find out how you can get My AI on Snapchat. As you can see, it says that My AI and new My AI features are rolling out slowly and may not be available to you just yet. But if you have the second updated version of Snapchat, you must have it. If you enjoyed this video, like it and share your comments or questions below.